It's so full of the right words, I would say, that they have really impacted me. And I'm taking something from here today. In fact, a lot here from here today. So I had not got the opportunity to go through the book, unfortunately. But हुआ क्या? अजय भाई का फोन आता है, अमित भाई, इसे घिया से भाई, मैंने बुक लिख दी। अरे तुम जो लिख रहे थे बुक लिख दी? हाँ भाई मैंने लिख दी तो। So that's Ajay for you. And then he drops a bombshell. Amit, you have to speak something here. What? Ajay bhai, but I don't know how to speak. I'm not a public speaker. I'm a simple person. I'm an entrepreneur. I don't know how to speak. Amit bhai, कुछ नहीं. Problems है लाइफ में. थोड़ा उसका solution oriented होना होता है, तो वही बुक में लिखा है कि how to become solution oriented. That is all what the book about. Okay, now then that is a motivator for you. So he simply, what you would say, duped me into taking up this speaking here. And so he has been talking about problems, right? You all have problems, you know, like ऐसा कौन है जिसकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यहाँ पे, पहले तो वो बताएं. हाँ? You don't have any problems in life? जिसकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Yeah, so we all have problems in our life, right? And so what are really problems? अगर हमारी लाइफ के अंदर कुछ अप्स हैं, कुछ डाउन्स हैं, जैसे बताया जा रहा था, you know, it's like a curve, like a sinusoidal curve. So what goes up has to come down, what goes down has to come up. हर रात की सुबह होती है and all that stuff, you know, life is like that. So if your heart is not beating, there's no, what do you say? There are a lot of doctors here, you know, you have that heartbeat, that ECG, you know. So अगर वो flat हो जाता है, we'll say, is that? So we all need that ups and downs, because that is, I guess, what is life all about. And so there has to be negative and positive for life to happen. That is very, very important. But how we look at these problems is what defines our life and where we are coming from and where we are going. And we have been talking about mindset here today. So that I think is very, very important. I had read a small book in which, you know, it beautifully described that there is a world inside each one of us. There is a subconscious world. और सबकॉन्शियस वर्ल्ड के अंदर हर आदमी के यहाँ पे जो भी बैठा है, एक उस सबकॉन्शियस वर्ल्ड है जो उसकी रियलिटी है, विच इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रियलिटी आउटसाइड. मैम अभी बात कर रही थी, यू नो, अभी हमें अनलर्न करना है. ये आदमी ऐसा है, मैं ऐसा हूँ, वो ऐसा है, ये मेरी लिमिटेशन है, ये उसकी लिमिटेशन है. वी ऑल हैव दैट स्टोरी विच इज गोइंग ऑन अराउंड, यू नो, इन आवर माइंड, इन आवर हार्ट्स, एंड दैट्स सबकॉन्शियस वर्ल्ड इनसाइड अस. और उस सबकॉन्शियस वर्ल्ड के अंदर रहते हुए हमें अपने बारे में भी कुछ एक स्टोरी चलती रहती है. वो माइंडसेट को अगर हम बदल देते हैं, अगर हम स्टोरी को बदल देते हैं, तो हम अपने ज़िंदगी में बहुत आगे जा सकते हैं. वो पर्सपेक्टिव, आई विल टेल यू अ स्मॉल स्टोरी अबाउट टू ब्रदर्स. दोनों भाई हैं और एक ही परिवार में नेचुरली पले बड़े हैं, एक ही जैसी एजुकेशन है, एक ही जैसी शक्ल सूरत भी है, दे आर ट्विंस. लेकिन जंगल भी जब भी वो किसी जंगल को देखते हैं तो दे गेट वेरी डिफरेंट फीलिंग्स. पहले ब्रदर को जब जंगल में वो पहली बार गया था तो ही मेट हिज गर्लफ्रेंड, एंड सो ही हैज वेरी लवली नोशन अबाउट जंगल. एंड द अदर ब्रदर, व्हेन ही strayed into a jungle, he saw a tiger. So he's got very different feeling about jungle. You know, when जब भी जंगल को देखते हैं तो बड़ा अलग फीलिंग आता है. Something similar happened to me. I was in a project in Chennai and it was a very tough project and 2 months it was hell for me. तो जब भी बाद में 5 साल बाद भी कोई चेन्नई का नाम लेता था, no, Chennai is, no, I don't want to go Chennai, it's a bad city. And they really, you know, took me more than a decade to understand कि Chennai is a nice city. So we all go through our experiences, we make our mindset, we make. So अभी बात भी कर रहे थे, you know, कि जो हमारे thoughts हैं, जो हमारा mindset है, it is a product of our experience, and it is our duty to change that mindset so that it can be more productive to help us reach our goals. और अगर हम माइंडसेट की बात करें, पर्सपेक्टिव की बात करें, तो क्या हम प्रॉब्लम्स को चैलेंजेस की तरह भी देख सकते हैं? because problem is a negative word and challenge. If we what would you say, program our words, what we say, and we reprogram what we think about or something, we can actually change the world. बोलते हैं ना कि आपका नजरिया बदल गया तो नज़ारे बदल जाएंगे, right? So challenges. Our challenges, but for us, how many of you wake up in the morning and say कि God, let me have some challenges today. I'm very excited about it. कोई है आप में से? Yes. I'm sure there are quite a few of you who would say it. I'm one big fool who actually, yeah. So we have our different perspectives, but जिसको जाना है ना थोड़ा सा कहीं पे, तो वो शायद इन challenges को ज़्यादा एक्सेप्ट करता है, बिकॉज ऐसा बोलेंगे कि जैसे देयर इज अ क्रिकेट मैच हैपनिंग एंड देयर आर सम फेंस सिटर्स, वी आर ऑल ऑडियंस देयर एंड देयर इज अ क्रिकेट मैच बीइंग प्लेड आउट, तो आउट कौन होगा, छक्का कौन मारेगा, इट इज बीइंग प्लेड आउट ऑन द ग्राउंड्स एंड द फेंस सिटर्स वी आर ओनली मेक कमेंट्री, कि ऐसा करना था वैसा करना था, बट विल डू नथिंग. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, अगर हमारे लाइफ में कुछ चैलेंजेस है, दैट मीन्स वी आर डूइंग समथिंग. We are going somewhere. Something is about to happen. And if there is no challenges, believe me, that means we are not doing anything worthwhile. अगर हम लाइफ को ऐसे जी रहे हैं ना, तो we are not going anywhere. And that's my perspective. मेरा ये कहना है कि आप लोगों में से वीडियो गेम कितने लोगों ने खेला है, और यार एटलीस्ट अपने बच्चों को या किसी को खेलते हुए देखा है, एटलीस्ट अभी तो आप सब हैंड रेस कर दीजिए. ऐसा कोई नहीं होगा जिसने वीडियो गेम ना खेला हो या किसी को खेलते हुए नहीं देखा होगा, राइट? अभी उसमें बताइए, अगर एक लेवल से दूसरे लेवल पे जाना है, दूसरे से तीसरे पे जाना है, अगर वो लेवल्स खत्म कर दिए जाएं एंड इफ देयर आर नो ऑब्स्टिकल्स, विल एनीवन प्ले दैट वीडियो गेम? टेल मी. Maybe. I wouldn't think that will be a big flop game, because if there are no obstacles, nothing happening. So challenges are essential part of life. It separates the chaff from what you do, the wheat. Grain, chaff from wheat. Thank you, ma'am. So वो challenges ही तो हैं जो आपको, otherwise if everyone is successful, will success have any value? No. So कुछ तो separation चाहिए, कुछ excitement चाहिए, कुछ नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाने का एक एक्साइटमेंट चाहिए, एक वही तो एनर्जी. आई थिंक इन लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट दैट, एंड माय पर्सपेक्टिव इज लेट्स चैलेंज द चैलेंजेस को अगर हम चैलेंज करेंगे, इफ वी पुश द एनवेलप ईच डे, इफ वी पुश द एनवेलप ऑफ आवर कंफर्ट जोन, it is said that the greatest rewards of life are outside the comfort zone, and we always have to keep pushing the envelope. We have to keep challenging the challenges and accept them. That is why whenever I get up in the morning, I will say, what are the challenges today? Let me have a look at them, and because I'm in a hurry to reach somewhere. I'm not as financially free as Ajay Bhai is. I have still miles to travel. तो प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं, चैलेंजेस हैं पहली बात तो, बट चैलेंजेस भी नहीं है. आई हैव बिगन टू सी चैलेंजेस एज अपॉर्चुनिटीज. अगर कहीं कुछ चैलेंज होता है, दिट बिकम्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी टू डू समथिंग अबाउट इट, टू बिल्ड माई करेक्टर ऑन, टू बिल्ड अ सॉल्यूशन अपॉन. सो प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्यूशन. आई थिंक आपके बुक में प्रॉब्लम एंड सॉल्यूशंस की बात करते हैं. तो अगर चैलेंज और प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा तो सॉल्यूशन कहाँ से आएगा? एंड देयर इज नो सॉल्यूशन. व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई मीन, so I'm a solution provider. I have a solution mindset. You thank God for that, and thank for friends like Ajay. कहते हैं ना, मतलब your friends rub off a lot of things on you, and this is one thing which I get inspired from Ajay, And so I will like to talk about this opportunity for a brief while through my own story, which I'll make it very brief. I'm an architect and product designer by qualification, but I've never been successful in my profession as an architect and turnkey contractor, because मेरा मन वहाँ था नहीं. I wanted to be a creator. I wanted to live my life on my own terms, and therefore I started designing products. Because जो भी products market में मिल रहे थे, I was not very happy with them. So I wanted to do something about it. And then one day a problem presented itself, which became an opportunity for me, because I thought, एक CEO चलते हुए नए ऑफिस में जो मैंने बनाया था उनके लिए, बहुत बड़ी कंपनी के, वो गिर गई. बिकॉज एक फ्लोर प्लेट थी जो प्रोजेक्ट कर रही थी, एंड इट वॉज वेरी एसेंशियल, क्योंकि उसके अंदर से वायरिंग वगैरह जाती थी, एंड देयर वाज नो प्रोडक्ट इन द मार्केट, एंड आई डिडंट हैव द मनी. I didn't have the time. I didn't have the capability to design a new product, though I knew the solution. तो मैंने क्या किया? I designed the product from minimum number of components. Minimum number of components से बनाया और उसको इस तरह बनाया कि वो कंपोनेंट्स डिफरेंट तरीके से फिट करके आप नए सॉल्यूशंस, नए प्रोडक्ट्स भी बना सके, क्योंकि पैसे कम थे ना. सी आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट लाइफ इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ कॉन्स्ट्रेंट्स. एबंडेंस जो है वो इसी रिकॉग्निशन के बाद आता है. अगर हम सस्टेन, आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट इनोवेशन इज सस्टेनेबिलिटी इन व्हाट आई डू. टेल मी, इनोवेशन की जरूरत है अगर आपके पास सब कुछ पहले से ही अबंडेंट है? नहीं. यू वोंट नीड टू इनोवेट. अगर आपके पास सस्टेनेबिलिटी की भी जरूरत तभी आएगी. यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट सेविंग द अर्थ और सस्टेनेबिलिटी when you know constraints are there, when abundance is not there. So similarly मेरे भी constraints से मैंने abundance की तरफ move किया by designing such products which have become now famous worldwide, and today I have the largest number of green certified by Government of India sustainable products in interior domain in India, more than 80. I have today 3 patents, and my business is slowly moving, towards global recognition, and we are exporting to the also, in a major way. And so what I wanted to talk about is the problem presented itself. I took it upon as a challenge and moved towards the success through the change of the mindset, and I didn't get bogged down कि अब क्या करना है भाई. Like I took action and used that situation. Ajay's book is all about problems, challenges, opportunities and solutions, and there is a path. You have to take the action. Ajay took the action and he is an author today, and I admire you for that. And whenever you take action, I guess there is going to be 2 results. वैसे तो मैंने कहीं अच्छा पढ़ा था, किसी ने बहुत एक सिंपल तरीके से बताया कि when you do something, कहते हैं श्रीमद् भगवत गीता का है ये कि when you do something there are 3 possible results. One is the result is exactly the way you had thought it would be, and then there is no problem. You enjoy the fruits of success. And the second is, it is not really something that you wanted, it is less than that. And third is exactly opposite than what you had thought, what you had dreamed of. Now the test of the character is when the results are exactly opposite than what you had thought of. So most of the people get bogged down here in the journey to greatness, in the journey to success. किसी ने अभी बात किया था यहाँ पर कि winners never quit, quitters never win. That's very important. And each failure, so we have to have a very good perspective about what is failure all about. Now failure is something which is very essential to success, because as I पहले भी बात की कि there is no success if everyone is successful, and some failures are also there, and you also have to fail. So I read a book called Dare to Fail, and it is by an author called Liam Payne or something, and I was aghast, I thought कि misprint हो गया. Dare to fail or dare to succeed? क्या होना चाहिए? And when I went through that book, I was amazed. I fell in love with failure, because I learned in times of failure you grow. In the times of failure you build your character. In times of failure you learn. In times of failure you understand that success is nothing but a journey. And I began to romanticize failure. In fact, I failed a lot in my life. I'm not successful as much as Ajay Singh is. And yes, so fail. And I read another book called Fail Massively to Bring About a Massive Success. तो अब मेरी जितनी भी फेलियर्स होती है ना, मुझे लगता है भगवान कुछ बड़ा ही वाला सुख देने वाला है. बड़ा फेलियर हो रहा है ना, तो बड़ा सक्सेस आने वाला है. So I guess is it the right mindset to have, Ajay bhai? Thank you. My guide and my mentor. So another thing about this journey from failure to success, because that's a journey actually which is all about, is how many times you stop to smell the roses. Because as someone said, we are all running from day and night and pushing ourselves and not really understanding that this is what is life is, but where are you rushing? Success is not a destination. Success is actually a journey from failure to success, goal to goal. What is success? Success is nothing when you decide that there is a goal and you do something and you fail in it, and then you decide to learn and grow yourself a little, and slowly you move towards your main goal from a lot of these series of failure, and you reach a success. And but you don't end here. You shift your goals. You make bigger goals. You move towards another success. I'm sure the City Success is going to be a bigger book, or maybe an international publication, international launch is somewhere in Paris or something. You know, there is another success awaits you, another goal awaits you. And the day you say, I have done whatever I wanted to do in my life, you're dead. Because life is all about moving that, through the small series of goals and moving towards that goal. Because life, वही तो मज़ा है, वही तो लाइफ है. खैर, तो अजय भाई इज़ अ ग्रुप टॉटर. इनको फ़ोन करो. अजय भाई किधर? यूँ से बाली में घूम रहा हूँ. अमित भाई, कम ऑन. अच्छा यार, हमें तो मतलब आगरा जाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता. ओह, where are you, Ajay bhai? I am in Oman. I am exploring markets here, Amit bhai. Acha, every time I see is in a cruise or some exotic destination. I don't know, but I would love to do that, Ajay bhai. But the thing is, while you were doing all that, while you were working and while you were moving towards financial success, you were also enjoying your life, and you were learning. You're observing and learning a lot, and that is what the wisdom you have now distilled and put that inside the book. So I'm sure this book is going to be an amazing thing which has happened to all of us, and I'm going to I'm looking forward to read that book, because there is going to be a lot of wisdom in that. So it's all about journey to greatness. And just to last few words, I've taken a lot of your time, but tell me, who is that one person who is standing in between you and your success, you and your greatness? Because we are all destined to be great. The greatness is inside us. It is not reserved for some privileged people. Each one of us has been put on earth because the greatness का seed हमारे अंदर already डाल के भेजा गया है. But who is that person? Who is standing between me and my success, me and my greatness? Ajay, is it you? नहीं. आप लोग देखिए, that person is you yourself. You are the person who is standing between you and your success, you and your greatness, and you are the only person who can solve it. You will find mentors and guides like नी की जिंदगी में माया आई, अजय भाई आएंगे हमारी कई लोगों की जिंदगी में, and which is a matter of pride for me, because he's a very dear friend and I look up to him for that. And and another thing is about a journey from ordinary to extraordinary. That's that seed of greatness which is inside each one of us. Only thing that needs is an extra word. The ordinary और extraordinary के बीच में एक उसे word है, extra. And the extra is all that you put in, that extra bit. आप सिर्फ superficially layers में काम कर रहे हैं या deep में जा रहे हैं, एक bit of extra depth. आप सिर्फ घूम रहे हैं या observe भी कर रहे हैं, learn भी कर रहे हैं, that extra bit. अगर आपने 9 to 6 जॉब किया, दैट एक्स्ट्रा बिल, उसने बोला था ना नी ने शायद कि अब मैं ये करूँगा और इतना मैं टाइम निकालूंगा, एंड सर वाज आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द टाइम केबल, दैट एक्स्ट्रा बिट, एंड दैट इज द ओनली एक्स्ट्रा बिट आई थिंक विच कैन टेक यू फ्रॉम योर ओन पर्सनल जर्नी टू ग्रेटनेस. एंड एवरीवन इज in a way on one's own journey to greatness. There is no competition. There is no competition between two people कि यार इसका तो हो गया, मेरा कब होगा. Everyone is on a journey, and it is upon us to have that shift of mindset from problem to solution oriented and enjoy the roses, enjoy the life, because this is life. Actually, life is not in the success, life is in the journey. I think I'm all done here, and happy reading to that wonderful book. I haven't read it till now. I would love it. Thank you.